My best self-care tip, hands down, is my weekly bubble bath. Sometimes a couple times a week. I haven't been able to take one for about 5 weeks because I am postpartum. Here's my little nugget sleeping. Oh, I can't see him. And so I can't wait to take one. But my best friend is here. Actually, she's been working all week helping me cook and clean and just taking care of me. So I told her I would draw her a bath, and I really want to do something for her for once. So I'm gonna first share quickly the 5 tips that I have for setting up just like an epic bubble bath self-care night, okay? So first, you want to prep. Clean your bathroom, make sure there's no clutter on the countertops, just make it really a relaxing space. Even if the rest of your house is messy like mine is because I'm postpartum and I haven't done much. So that is just so critical. So that's first. All right, second is to set the tone with lighting. So I brought a little relaxing light in here, which I'll show you in just a minute, and a bunch of candles. I mean, this is a fire zone right now. And third is to add something feminine. So maybe some flowers. If you see, I actually grew this myself. So I planted it and I cut a few flowers to put around the bathroom just to add that feminine touch. If you have flower petals, definitely add some flower petals to the bathtub. It makes it so luxurious. So fourth is to have an amazing bubble bath recipe. So my go-to is 2 cups Epsom salt for 1 cup of baking soda. So just throw that in there with some essential oils. So I do eucalyptus. Actually, eucalyptus is my favorite. It makes the bathroom smell like a spa. So that's my go-to. Or you can use a bath bomb. Lush is really good. Just make sure it doesn't have a lot of fillers and chemicals because you don't want that absorbing into your skin. And fifth is the catch-all, and that's all the little add-ons, right? So adding a face mask or a hair mask. I always also make a cup of tea. So whatever else that you want, maybe even a snack, or if you're a drinker, you can have a glass of wine and just make it super relaxing. So let me show you how I put it all together now.